So we bought the GoPro Hero 7 White Edition. Apparently it's a pretty good little camera. I bought a 64 gigabyte was the biggest they had for memory. And we're going to get you all some videos. Apparently this has a self-charging battery, has a couple mounts in it and stuff like that. Supposedly a decent camera. I bought the extended warranty for 3 years. So basically at 3 years, I even drop it, they'll replace it. I have an odd feeling I'll be upgrading to the bigger version, but with the total warranty and card and everything, I think this rounded me up today to about 500, a little over 500 around there. So we're gonna try this out for 500, and yeah, we'll see if this channel booms, and we'll probably upgrade. So stay tuned, subscribe just for getting the new GoPro and the SD card, and the sled's right there, trailer's fixed. You know, this costs money. This ain't free filming, guys. So subscribe and like, and we'll get you some good stuff. I'm out.